over the cost of 6 months last year 2024, I earned over $4,000 from this my secret website I am going to review to you in this video. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, so do hit on subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you in this channel. Alright, so basically I'll be dropping more updates on forex trading and other sites also that you can literally use to make money online. So this site also have earned me a lot of money last year 2024. Alright, so it has been a great support to me in my trading career. Alright, so if you're a trader, you don't really have something backing you up, you don't really have a side also that can literally depends on, you only depend on the market, that's not advisable. So basically you need something that can earn you good amount of money in same currency where you are trading, simply the dollar. Alright, so if this is something you love to learn, if this is something you want to learn, alright, so you can drop a comment in the comment section saying I'm interested, so I'll certainly reach out to you in the comment section, guys. So basically I'll be dropping more video. I'm just happy, guys, I'm just happy because I got funded with 10 trade. I got funded with 10 trade and I'm really excited. It's an instant funding, instant funding. So I bought this account, so nothing less than $50 because it's just $2,000 account. I will be trading this account for the course any moment from now, from tomorrow, from next week, where I will be analyzing the markets. So I'll start trading, right? So the only drawdown is just 6% and it's small. It's small and it's big too. So if you know how to manage your risk, you can literally make a lot of money with this opportunity. So I will drop more video about this Profim account that can literally go funded instantly. Alright, so that's just it. Alright, so stick to my videos, stick to my channel. I'll be guiding you through how you can literally make some crazy money this year 2025. Alright, so this is just a minute video. I don't want this video to be that long, so that's why I'm just, you can try seeing I'm talking somehow fast. I'm talking somehow really fast, right? Alright, you see my face, I'm bright, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Alright, so just subscribe to the channel, stick to my video, drop a comment in the comment section saying I'm interested so I can reach out to you and show you through the process on how to literally make money from this website I talked about in the beginning of this video. Alright, so I've literally teach some others of my students and they are doing crazy money. Yeah, they are doing crazy money. It just this year 2025, and one of my students sent me a screenshot of his earnings. So I am really fucking excited. Alright, I'm really excited. So let's call it a day. Alright, let's call it a day. So do well, hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Stick to my channel, just stick to my channel. You can check out my previous videos. You can learn something from there. I flipped a $10 account to $500 and I had different questions coming from different, so I made a video on how you can do the same. Alright, so that is just it, guys. That is just it.